Okay, today let's learn how to install the Turbo C for the PC or the laptop. So search on the search bar, go to Google and search on setup Turbo 7. So you're going to have this one. So then you can scroll here and you're going to get the download Turbo C7. Click on this one, and here you can find the download now option. So click on download now. The ad, close the ad. So the file will going to be get started downloading. So after drawing the file, you're going to have this one. So open the folder, click on extract file, double click on the setup turbo C7 v2.1, double click on this. It will going to be say it as extract or run. You can click on run or extract all. I'm clicking on run. So it will ask that this app will going to be make changes in your PC. Is it okay for you? So as we need to install this one, you can click on yes. So okay, next click next, install, next process, and install. Okay, this thing will going to be get installed in your PC. So I've already installed this one. So that's why it is saying that is it okay to replace the existing file. It is asking like that. And ನೀವು ಈಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದಿರಾ ಆ ಫೈಲ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ರೀಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So I will turn it ignore. So if you are installing it for the first time, no errors will going to be get occur. So just clicking on this one. So later it will going to be have your Turbo C++ over here. So in the desktop you can have with your file, that is Turbo C. So it is located over here. So double click on the Turbo C7. The window will going to be get pop-up will going to be get open, and here you can go for the file and you can new, and next you can type your program. Okay guys, that's it for the day. If you like the video, please share, subscribe, and put the comment. Thank you.